How to know who stalks you on Facebook. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can know who stalks you on Facebook. In order to know who stalks you on Facebook, at first you have to launch the very Facebook application on your device by tapping on it. After tapping on it, Facebook will be launched. Now you have to go to your profile like section. You have to make sure that you have enabled the professional mode on your very device because it won't be able if you have not. Now you have to just tap on the option of the professional access. You could also go to the option of your professional dashboard on their very profile here. So here you can go to your professional dashboard. If you do not directly find the professional dashboard, you can go to the option of settings and privacy and find it here. Now here what you can do is you can see the various kind of insights on your various kind of post. If you see the various kind of insights on your various kind of feeds and various kind of post, you can know about your very kind of stalker on Facebook. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.